Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I'm going to show you some new paper collections that we just got in. This one is called Early Bird, and it is from Bobunny. This is the one that I just used in a card right before this video. You'll see that. But as you can see, I've cut out some pieces, but they're on that card. Isn't that pretty? There's the back side. And then I've cut out some little pieces here that I've used on the card as well. Love these clocks. I used one of those on the front of the card. And then this piece is what I used mainly on the card. Isn't that pretty? There's the back side. The birds. That is so pretty. I love the teapots in this collection. The colors are really, really gorgeous too. And of course it has butterflies. You know I like those. Look at that. And then it looks like a handwriting. That's really pretty. And then it starts over, I do believe. I think I've shown you all of them. Yeah, looks like it starts over. Goes through the same ones. This has, let me get the front back up here. This has 19 pieces. We have a new collection from Kaisercraft, and this is called Full Bloom. Full Bloom. And it's got 6 pattern paper. 6 double-sided pattern papers in here, and then it says an extra coordinating bonus sheet and the sticker sheet. So this one is cute too. I love these spring, beautiful spring colors. And look at this at the bottom. You could cut that and use that as a border on your pages. Pretty. This is a gorgeous collection. Ooh, I love that. And then your sticker sheet, of course. So that again is from Kaisercraft, and it is called Full Bloom. We have another from Kaisercraft, and this is called Anthology. So all of you bird and butterfly people out there, this is a beautiful collection. You have 6 pattern papers, double-sided, and 2 sheets of each design, and then an extra bonus sheet, sticker sheet. So this is so pretty. Like I said, if you do a lot of bird watching, butterfly collecting, anything like that, this is a great collection for you. They very seldom come out with things like this, but look at that. Look at all those feathers. Isn't that cute? Even flowers for your flower garden, something like that. Look at that. Very, very nice paper. Love that. And then your sticker sheet has your butterflies, your birds, your clocks, flowers, feathers, and then it has a lot of words and sentiments, things down here. And then I love this border. So that again is from Kaisercraft, and it is called Anthology. So we have those in stock. We do have these in the 6x6 are 6.5 by 6.5, and then we have the die cuts to go along with these. I will link all of these collections below so you can go straight over and take a look at them, and we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.